What's up, guys? This is Phillyswords RC. Today I got my Arrma Outcast EXB. Today because I just replaced the rear diff. Want to see how she performs. I'm gonna do a speed test. I'm doing the off-road speed test, so let's get into it. First pass I'm gonna do it on doing it on 50%. See how I perform. This is full throttle. This is all she got right here. That is all she got. Let's see what that is. That was 27 miles an hour. Let's boost that up to 75%. Let's check that speed. That was 37 miles an hour on 75%. Now let's boost it up to 100. Okay, something wrong. 100%. That was only 42 miles an hour on 100%. Now let's bash it. Them tires is becoming unglued. Hopefully I didn't just break something. Let's see, what did I do here? See if something hanging off. No arms is broke so far. Shit's tearing it up. I'm scared to try to backflip this heavy ass beast. Yeah, I like that. Yeah, I fixed them brakes. Up, something happened. The battery didn't only come loose, it came out. That crash did do some damage. Cracked my front bumper, which is really too much of nothing. What a brace to the bumper. Cracked that. Taking my GNS out. Let's just call it a day with speed testing. I don't want to lose it. Back in business. Yeah, this thing, man. This thing is a beast. I always say that about all my cars, but yo. All right, I'm at my new location. Now, let's continue to bash. Yeah, them tires, oh God, is becoming unglued. Oh, wow. Yo, this thing is a beast. I fixed the rear disc. Seemed to be working pretty good. This thing is a monster. 8S Outcast, baby. But as always, hit that like button, subscribe. This is Phillyswords RC. And I'm out.